Hey, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Drew, and I'm here with the new and improved channel. Check it out. Passive Profits, guys. The great equalizer. This is Drew's channel. This is Passive Profits. It's an affiliate marketing channel. It's a make money online channel. It's a passive income channel. It's basically here for beginners, built by a beginner or made by a beginner, and I'm bringing out content every day on affiliate marketing, how to improve your digital presence, your digital assets, and we're going to make money together. Because look at, I can't show you any funny graphs about how much I've made. I've made $200. To be honest and totally transparent, I've made $200 as an affiliate marketer. But I'm trying, and I'm going to be here every day bringing out content on things that beginner affiliates need to know. You know, like, hey, stop looking everywhere else. Stop looking at all the shiny objects. Focus on the number one thing, getting traffic and creating content. And then worry about the product, and then worry about the business. Right now, what I want to do today is give you the fundamental tools for your business, your affiliate marketing business. And because we're beginners, and I've gone through the whole process, I want to make it as cheap as possible. Trust me, this is going to be as cheap as I can get it for you. I will give you a couple upsells, but honestly, I really want you just to focus on staying cheap or free right now, okay? I am an affiliate. I had to upsell you. So all of these things are going to be linked down below, as well as, dude, guys, this is a community I'm building, and we're building together. Please comment down below anything you need from me, okay? Also, I want you to understand that the YouTube algorithm works off of these thumbs ups and thumbs down, comments and shares. Also, please think about subscribing if I add any value through this whole video or any of my future videos, because I'm going to try and add value to your life and give you things that you can work from. Anyway, if I bring you value, hit that subscribe button. Also, notification bell. That way, any new content that comes out, you get it right away. You don't have to wait. You don't have to be late in the line. You understand? All right, let's jump right in. The way we're going to start our brand new beginner affiliate businesses right now in 2020. All right, so here's the deal. First of all, you got your niche, all right? If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it is basically taking somebody else's product, promoting it, and getting a link, and if somebody buys that product from you through that link, you get a commission. So it's basically, you're promoting products for other people. You don't have to own a product. You don't have to make a product. You don't have to do customer service. You just take somebody else's product and promote it, and you get paid when you sell something, okay? That's affiliate marketing. It's done on this World Wide Web. That's what we used to call it in the 90s. World Wide Web. Anyway, so you need traffic. So you need to pick a traffic source, and you need to think about that. And I want you guys, the beginners, to focus on one traffic source at a time, whether it be blogging, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, any of these things. You find out what you need, okay? Number two, you absolutely, would you ever start a business without an office, without a store, without a garage, without a shop? No, you wouldn't. Or a cool truck? No, you wouldn't. So you need something like that. A permanent residence. That's why you need web hosting. Guys, look at Bluehost is my number one recommendation because I just set up my first website ever in my entire life. I set it up through Bluehost. I went and I got my WordPress. I'm not going to tell you what the website is yet, but I did it through Bluehost, and they're super reasonable. I learned about it through obviously, link is down below. And this next link it's not a shameless plug because this is kind of my mentor. I did it through Spencer Meekum. That's what he actually told me in a DM. He said, yeah, Bluehost is dope. It's cool for beginners. So Spencer Meekum, also link down below to his course, but it's a shameless plug. Yeah, it is. Anyway, so Bluehost, I'm not going to go through all the details on how to set up a website and what you need. We'll go into that in later videos. However, what I do want you to know is right up here at the top of the screen is going to be a video linking you. I think it's going to be Spencer Meekum's video because I want you to understand how cool of a guy this guy is. Anyway, so you have to have a website. You absolutely, fundamentally have to have a website, okay? Next, the brains of the operation, right? Affiliate marketing needs a funnel. People, you have a website. You can't sell on a website. It's so outdated to sell on a website. You need funnels. You need landing pages. You need all this. You need this. This is your brains of your operation. You sell. You do all this. A basic model of affiliate marketing runs off of funnels, okay? So I have two suggestions for you. Now, it depends on how much money you have, and I want you to stay on a budget when you're new. All right, so I'm going to go to the free method first, all right? This is Groovefunnels. It's a great funnel builder, great page builder, great everything. There's so many other apps to this too. There's so many things you can do. And honestly, if you go through my link down below, you can get started right now for absolutely free. You get 3 pages, 3 funnels, all this stuff. You get a lot of stuff in the light version of this. So you can completely go through your funnels and do all this. You can completely be a beginner affiliate, and when you scale, you can go to something bigger. You can promote up with Groovefunnels, or you can actually go to the tried and true ClickFunnels. I mean, this is the holy grail of funnel making. It's run by Russell Brunson. He's like the epitome of affiliate or digital marketers. He is, yeah, you know Russell. You've probably seen him. If you haven't, you need to start watching more YouTube. Like, honestly. Anyway, this is ClickFunnels. And this is Groovefunnels. Groovefunnels just came out. It just came out of beta, so it's not completely there yet. But ClickFunnels is tried and true. However, it runs a tag of like $100. Also, link will be down below. But you know what? I just want you guys to focus on your business and what you want to do, all right? And trusting me a little bit as your narrator, I guess. Anyway, so Groovefunnels is where I would suggest that you go for the time being, where you can start to learn how to build funnels, and they give you enough in the light version to actually learn, and you're not wasting $100 a month while you learn, right? This is the whole premise. You're not wasting the money while you're learning. That's what the barrier entry to me. This is where I'm at, is Groovefunnels, all right? And on the light version, okay? And I'll completely admit, I am not paying for the full sites. I'm not paying for anything except for web hosting right now. All right. Last but not least is the most important thing, because this is where you build your digital asset. The email autoresponder, the email list. And this is where the money is made in affiliate marketing. You have to know this. And this ConvertKit link is also down below. And shameless plug, I guess, but I'm an affiliate marketer. What do you expect? Anyway, you can sign up for free, and I'm going to show you the free pricing, okay? So you don't get endless stuff with these free plans, but you get enough to start, all right? You get unlimited landing pages and forms, and that is so true. But the only thing you don't get is automation and funnels, or automated funnels and sequences. You can have traffic, you can start your landing pages and forms, and you can have up to 1,000 subscribers, which is awesome, guys. It's absolutely awesome. But when you can scale this business up to 1,000 subscribers, guaranteed you'll have the money to pay for either the creator or the Creator Pro and ClickFunnels, okay? When you can get to the 1,000 subscribers, you're going to have enough money to have all the softwares that you need to run this business. So that's the point. Stay on the light versions and stay on the cheap versions until you can scale this business up to the sky. Hey guys, we're going to make tons of profit. We're going to make tons of passive income. I'm a beginner. You're a beginner.